What if I told you that you can start your own merch brand today without touching a single product and make $300 this week? Let's break down print on demand, the side hustle that prints money, literally. Welcome back to Money Idea Machine, where we turn ideas into income. Today, we're talking about print on demand, aka POD. This is one of the easiest ways to start selling products without holding any stock or worrying about shipping. Why does it work? Because you design it once, and the POD company handles the rest: printing, packing, and shipping. That means you focus on creativity and marketing while they handle the heavy lifting. Let's dive into how you can start this hustle right now. Step 1. Pick your platform. Start by choosing a POD platform like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble. These are free to join and integrate with marketplaces like Etsy or your own Shopify store. My personal favorite for beginners? Printful plus Etsy, because Etsy brings traffic for you. Step 2. Create simple viral designs. You don't need to be Picasso, just focus on trending niches. Use free tools like Canva or AI generators like Midjourney to create catchy designs. For example, funny quotes, pet lover merch, or fitness slogans. Keep it clean, high contrast, and readable. Step 3. Upload and list smart. When uploading your designs, write SEO-rich titles and tags. Example, instead of cool t-shirt, use funny gym shirt, fitness gift for men and women. This helps Etsy and Google push your listings. Step 4. Promote for free. Leverage TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest to share lifestyle mock-ups of your products. Use trending sounds and hashtags. People love seeing relatable merch in action. So, print on demand is one of the lowest risk hustles out there, perfect for beginners and creatives. You focus on designs, the platform handles the rest. If this sounds like your vibe, hit that subscribe button, because next up, we're diving into AI-powered hustles that can make you $500 a week. Seriously, don't miss it.